Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy A21s and I'm gonna show you how to allow the camera app to scan QR codes at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and as you can see, for now we are in the standard photo mode. So let's go to more advanced options. We can do it by tapping on this button here in the left corner, and it opens us the advanced camera settings. As you can see, at the first place here we have the intelligent features with scan QR codes option. So by using this button you can easily turn it off and turn it on like that. This is how it works, and of course I suggest you to keep this turn it on because this is the easiest method to scan QR codes at this device, so you don't need any other app to do it. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.